Alright, what we got here is a US Cutter heat press. We just went to the Chicago DAX show and they were there selling equipment, and the girlfriend really wanted a heat press that she could use, and she's tried out quite a few of them. I got like an old clamshell style that's really hard to push down, and it doesn't really do good, I guess you'd say, but it's gotten me by for now. But she wanted to go ahead and bite the bullet, and she paid for this, but I'm gonna unbox it because she said it was okay. She's at work right now. I will give a full range review with this, you know, probably 6 months from now, 7 months from now. Down the road, we want to start doing screen printed heat transfer vinyls for high schools and stuff like that. So we're gonna put this to the test for 2 or 3 months, then maybe do a couple, you know, wrestling meets or volleyball tournaments or something like that. So further ado, we'll go ahead and open this bad boy. Give me 1 second, grab a knife. And this is the 15 by 15 swing away heat press. Machine serial number. The model is FLHP3805V. The people, I've got a vinyl cutter from, well, US Cutter, and it was our very first one, and we've had it for almost 2 years now, and the thing is amazing. We got it right when we started doing like screen printing and stuff. We kind of jumped right in and bought a whole bunch of equipment and a lot of trial and error. But they, I don't know, they have pretty good quality, and I've used the printer plotter with it too. I got the Laser 2 machine, and you know, for small stickers and stuff like that, go ahead and print it. I printed out my Epson 1430 sticker paper, and I put that laser right on top of the guideline. It does a little test going around, you know, and it cuts it out perfect every time. So first open the box, we got a nice little user manual, and looks like they got a whole bunch of other things they're promoting: Sawgrass, Sisler, Green Star, stuff like that. Ooh, okay, this is my, I gotta save this, recipient. And you know what, I'll give those guys the benefit of the doubt. They do have a really heavy duty box, and shipping something heavy doesn't always turn out right, as you'll see. It looks like some of the styrofoam got damaged, but it looks like the machine is still in good tack. So, big ass piece of styrofoam. This is actually really nice. Wow. Wow. Okay. Wow. But here it is. We'll see if there's anything else in the box before I dive in there. I really doubt it, but you know what? 100% sure there's nothing in there. So, got some good packaging, and let me tell you, this SOB is heavy. Heavy. So, I think it's pretty good quality. I mean, this is the only one that my girlfriend could actually press down that was in our price range. I would love to have the one that comes out and, you know, you load it like you're a screen printing press, and you got the swivel, and it's got the digital readout with all the settings and nonsense, but can't afford it at the moment. Down the road, probably be another review. As long as we're doing good business, we might get one. Boy, oh boy, this is pretty heavy duty. Let me tell you. Thing is nice. Alright. So, okay, so that's how the timer works. Alright, I was wondering how that worked without that. Without the clamshell like button thing, but it's got a little sensor in between there that once it comes in contact, it probably sets a timer. Alright, but yeah, comes with a nice pad, real heavy duty cast. Heating element's pretty nice, got some pretty good sized springs, dial to call your tension. Pretty good size extension too for the cord to plug in. The one that I got's like 3 foot. Like, what the hell are you gonna? Even on a table, it's hard to plug into a normal outlet. But okay. So here we have it in all its glory. Really good looking machine. You know what? U.S. Cutter is, you know, cheaper, but I really think they have something to prove. You know, some of the other heat presses, it's got the swivel, so you can do like the layered stuff and, you know, layer vinyl. You'll look at those and they'll be $600-700. I got this at the trade show. It was a trade show special. Well, the wife got it for, I think it was $250 shipped. So yeah, wow. I can kind of trust these guys a little bit more. They got a little bit better reputation than the eBay specials that you get, and you get it. And I've heard horror stories that they either leave it plugged in and it almost burns the house down, or you plug it in, nothing works. You'll plug it in, it works, but it don't heat up. So, and these guys have a very, very good technical support. I've called them a couple times with trying to learn how to set up the plotter and get it set up right. I call them up, they figure it out in no time. This has a 1-year warranty. The plotter that I got has a 1-year warranty, and they were good enough. When I first got it, I thought the head on it was broke because it wouldn't press down, but I didn't have the blade set up right because as a newbie, give me a break. But they actually offered to send me out a whole new like mechanism for that. They said if you're, you know, savvy enough to fix it, you're more than welcome to give it a try. So they were going to send me that and the switch. And then I figured out that like 2 hours later that I was a dum-dum, and I called them back and told them to keep it because I figured the whole thing out. So yeah, got a nice reset switch here. Got an LCD screen on it, which is really nice. It does swivel both ways. The lady did say that you could swivel it all the way up to 180 degrees and not have a problem with it. Or 360 degrees. I don't know if I don't think there's any wiring that goes, no, there's nothing. So, I mean, you could probably sit here for days and do this. But yeah, let's plug it in and see what goes on. And of course, I gotta put a twist tie on it that's 14 miles long. Yeah, this is a pretty cool machine, man. I'm stoked. So, we'll do a little zoom up here. Yeah, pretty nice machine. Got a nice little settings thing here. You can see it's at 98 degrees, 400, I think is what it's supposed to be set up. You can feel it starting to heat up, so that's a good sign. Let's just do, okay, so 6, 5, 4. Okay, cool. Pretty easy to flip up. No glitching, no nothing like that. Awesome. But yeah, this sweet little machine, I am excited to use it. And I'm sure my girlfriend wife was excited to come home and check it out all unboxed and probably be mad at me. But she told me I could, so I can't get in too much trouble. Yeah, look at that. That is nice, man. U.S. Cutter, you have really done something. So, in other words, I think I'm out. I'm done with this. I'll be giving a review in probably about 6 months, like I said. So, yeah, stay tuned.